Linking your bank account to AliExpress can enhance your shopping experience by making transactions easier and more secure. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Create or log into your AliExpress account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and either create a new account or log into your existing account. Ensure that your account is verified for smoother transactions. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page or app. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find the option for payment methods. Click on this option to view your current payment settings and add new methods. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select the bank account option and enter your bank details as required, including account number and routing number if necessary. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes to link your bank account to your AliExpress account. Now you are ready to enjoy a seamless shopping experience on AliExpress with your bank account linked. Happy shopping!